My people, this is an emergency video. Why? Because we might have the craziest opportunity ever to get into altcoins and capitalize on this massive altcoin rally that is about to start. Altcoin season is about to start right now. And I'm explaining why. I'm explaining why all altcoins are down right now and where to enter, which one I'm looking at the most, which one has the most potential to pump right now when Trump steps into the office on Monday. And we cannot forget the federal fund rate decision on Tuesday and the FOMC meeting that is going to be crucial for the continuation of this bull rally in altcoin season. So let's get into this. Right now, you do not want to invest into Trump token. Why is that? Is because all these big wallets that bought Trump token for hundreds of millions of dollars, $20, $13, $40 million each, they bought it seconds after the token was launched. So of course, this was insider, but they are cashing out the profits right now. And we, the retail traders, are left with the bag. And you don't want that. You don't want to, and even worse, you don't want to hop in now when it's only us retail traders left in there. So what is happening? Trump, Solana, and Jupiter sucked up all liquidity from the market. You see, everything is red basically besides them. They sucked up all liquidity. But what's happening now is all the liquidity that they have generated in Trump token, in Solana, in Jupiter, all the profits is going to roll over now back to other altcoins. And the first altcoins is going to roll over to is those that are going to boom. They're going to surge tomorrow and on Tuesday. Nothing is guaranteed, but this is what I believe. This is what I see in front of me. And these are, of course, XRP, HBAR, Hedera, XLM. We have Chainlink, Cardano, and AVAX, SUI. Guys, you want to be positioned Polkadot. You want to be positioned in those tokens because they are going to explode. They're going to surge heavily. And when they have surged, same thing is going to happen. People are going to cash out the profits, and those profits are going to roll over into mid-cap tokens. When that happens, I'm going to update you on which mid-cap tokens have the most potential and are going to surge after these American boomer tokens have surged. So let's start with AVAX. AVAX has enormous potential. It can easily surge from here to all-time high about 300%. And that is just the all-time high. I think it's going to far surpass all-time high. I'm counting at about $240, $260 at least for this bull run 2025 for AVAX. It's very undervalued. It's a super strong project with a super strong team and technology. And here is the entry for it. So if you're in my Telegram channel, then you have seen the entry that I've called out here at about $33 for one AVAX. So we are good in profit on this one. But what has happened is now we have rejected the $41 resistance and pulled back now to the order block at about $37. And this is a gift. This here is a super discounted entry for you to get in on this trade. Yes, it might go a little bit lower. It might go actually all the way down to about $34, but you want to start scaling in now already. And if it comes down to $34, you add positions. And this strategy counts for all the altcoins that I'm going to go through now, because all of them can, of course, dip a little bit lower, but not much lower. They are going to explode basically from where they are right now. So if you're entering right now into AVAX and you plan to hold it for the rest of the bull run, or if you're doing a leverage trade, but let's say a spot position and you plan to hold it, you are looking at an easy 5, 6, 7x on your investment. And that's from a blue chip token, not some meme coin, AI coin, or something that is not verified or has a stable foundation to stand on. Another project with enormous potential, DOT. From where it is right now to all-time high, it's about 700%. Guys, this is insane. So if you get in on about $6.5 that it stands on right now, you are 8xing your money up to all-time high. I think it's going to take out all-time high this bull run, but it's an American project. It's a boomer token from the previous bull run. It's super strong in its foundation, team, technology, and everything. And entry is right now. I just called it out in the Telegram channel and also took the trade on our copy trading account. So if you're copying our trades on our Bitfinex copy trading account, then you're in this trade and probably in profit right now. Entry is right here at $6.6 for one DOT. We have multiple take profits. If you're trading leverage, you want to hold it to about $15. But like I said, my target for this one is minimum $51.80. Minimum for this bull run. Next up, ADA, or Cardano as we love to call it. So Cardano hit this resistance, which also is an order block, a supply zone, which pushed it back a little bit, as we can see on a weekly time frame. Since then, it hit a bottom, pushed up again, has retraced, this retrace that we're talking about now that we have seen since yesterday. And I see a very nice opportunity for this one now as well. But Cardano has the potential to go a little bit lower. We have a nice order block down here. It might want to come down and retest this order block, pick up some liquidity. But either way, we don't know it. And if you want to be in Cardano, now is your chance. Now is your opportunity to get into it, start scaling in. If it goes lower, you add positions. Don't go berserk all in at once on these tokens. And we have SUI also that I've called out multiple times. I've called this one out since it was at $0.6. If you took that trade, you have already 8-9x your money. But here's the kicker. SUI is not done yet, and it's also an American token. SUI is super strong. It's basically Solana from previous bull run. And I think that it will at least 3, 4, 5x from where it is right now. It stands at about $4.8 right now. I see a SUI at least $20 this bull run. And now to everybody's favorite, of course, XRP. So XRP has created a nice little channel down here, accumulated sideways, downward sloping, ever since it came up and sniffed all-time high at about $3.4. Now this is a very bullish accumulative pattern. I want to give you a good reference. Do you see this here? This is Bitcoin from March up until October, and the breakout was crazy, all right? So we see the same pattern now for XRP, but it's of course on a much smaller time frame. So it's going to break out hard, but we don't know how much, of course. I'm expecting all-time high taken out easily. TAI is also another token that I bet will super fly this bull run, and has already taken, a lot of gains. As you can see, my entry was about $1. It stands at $3 right now, but it's far from too late. This token is going to at least 10x this bull run from where it is right now. So I'm expecting at least $3 for it. But with that said, guys, don't sleep on this opportunity, because this might actually really be your last chance to get in on a good price on these tokens. We have a massive bull run ahead of us. I don't think nobody is understanding or expecting what's ahead of us, because this bull run is going to be like nothing else. We are going to do all-time highs like never before. There's going to be liquidity sucked into the crypto markets like we've never seen in anything else before. So you want to be well positioned. This is your chance, this is your opportunity. We're streaming live here almost on a daily basis when we trade, and you can take the same trades that we take. Of course, we're only showing what we doing. We also have a copy trading account on Bitfinex where you can actually automatically copy all the trades that we do. And we're always providing you with the hottest gems in the crypto market, the hottest trades going on right now, airdrops, giveaways, challenges. So if you want to be part of one of the strongest growing communities on the online income space digitally, then Prosperous World has a Telegram channel. Link is in the description box below. I hope to see you there soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And with that said, I'll see you at the top, because you know the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.